Hello everyone, this is Yamin and in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can enable profile photo in Laravel Jetstream. So here you can see that currently we are in the dashboard and there is no profile photo over here, and if we go to our profile, there you can see no profile upload option over here. So for us to enable profile photo in our Laravel project in Jetstream, so for it what we have to do is that we'll go to our project and then we'll just directly go to our config folder, and inside config you will find a file called jetstream.php. Just click on it and then if you go down here you can see a feature profile photos. All you have to do is that you just have to remove this double slash from here. Then if we save it now, then if we now refresh, there you can see we have a picture upload option over here. So what it did is that the moment we enable this, what it did is that in the public folder, it made a connection with the shortest folder. Over here you can see a shortest folder option over here, but we cannot click on it. It just make a connection with the shortest folder. And if we upload an image over here, the image will be uploaded in the shortest folder. So let me just show you. If I just select the image, then let me just choose the image from here. Let's choose the first one and then click open. And right now if we save on it, click save, here you can see it reloaded but the image is missing. Okay, the reason could be because let me just go to my env folder, and over here you can see that app url http localhost, and over here we have the IP address, right? So let me just copy this IP address, Ctrl C, and I will just paste it over here. And we also require to remove the last slash, then save it. So right now if we refresh, the problem should be gone. So you can see we can see the image right now. So we already saved the image. And where is the image? So right now if we go to our project and then here in the project, if we just go to the shortest folder, inside the shortest we have the app, and inside app here you can see we have the public folder over here, and inside public folder here you can see profile photos, and this is the image that we just uploaded. So this is how you can enable profile photo in Laravel Jetstream. I hope this tutorial was useful to you. So if it was helpful, then please like this video, leave a comment, and I will actually really appreciate if you subscribe my channel. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.